Fred's driving.
That ain't my driving. It's your POS bike.
You're 50% right on that.
We don't need to tell you what POS means, I don't think.
50% correct on that statement, friends.
I mean, literally found it on the side of the road.
No, it wasn't on the side of the road.
Almost on the side of the road.
It was actually buried down in a big hole in there.
Okay, buried in somebody's...
a forklift to drag it out, straight up in the air 20 feet to get it out where it was at.
Buried in somebody's backyard?
Dangling off a strap. Big ass forklift with a 30-foot boom on it.
Huh.
That's how we got it out. Okay, there's the problem right there. You want to see a crappy design?
Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, there's an Allen wrench behind that light that doesn't move. That has to be removed before you can put it on. Which is typically rusty and...
That's not the good part.
Spent and...
The wire goes through there. There's no quick disconnect on that wire between here and under the seat.
I think a cutter is going to be the next. Yeah, right about there. Oh, that's the solution. Cut that damn thing.
Oh, you didn't bring the Allen one, did you?
I did bring the Allen.
Now we maybe be able to tighten this up, but I'll guarantee you it will loosen up before the day's over.
Well, it didn't fall off. That's the nice part. It would have been held on by that one wire.
Do you have nitrous in that bulb, Keenan?
Nobody looked in the saddlebag to see what I had in there yet.
At least 2 6-packs.
I fixed the turn signal, Fred.
Fixing the turn signal. Yeah, remove it. Oh, you fixed it like you're leaving it off. Was that fixing it?
Yes.
Can you leave the turn signal off?
Yes. I will be remounting it later. These might be non-functional, though.
I think you're going to make it non-functional, even more so.
You already know this one's loose. This is how that one was before you came out of the road.
Yeah. All right, look, we got another run going. That guy's up. That should be a fastie there.
That is a snowshoe.
Hit a soft spot there.
It's a little loose. So I think you got hooked it up.
Pretty sweet from this view. Really sucks from behind. For the first 20 seconds. So, how did the inspection go there, Mr. Tatro?
He didn't like my lack of...
You want a knife?
I forgot the paperwork. Is that home?
You forgot to pay for the inspection?
The paperwork to show what the bike looks like still. They say I got to keep the saddlebags on the bike, the spotlights on the bike, but I can take the turn signal off because it says in the rule book you can take them off.
And it helps that they're already falling off, so...
Well, I'm going to put them back on, but I'm going to maybe beef them up a little bit on the manual system.
Maybe a little red Loctite.
Maybe a little bit better than what they had, yeah. But considering going into pot metal, you're not asking for much.
All right. Yeah, let's see this side.
This one's already chafed right here a little bit. See, it's chafed.
Yeah. So it probably was grounding out already. I'm recording. Yeah, I think I'm recording.
That one won't come out.
I'll cut it again. Let's go see. Oh, that was quick.
That one won't come out. Oh, that's a good one, Harley there. Finally got it cleaned up. Well, no, take that back. All right, Fred, that's not coming out.
Can you reach from... Well, you
No,
have to
it's
reach
solid.
inside the fender and cut.
The problem is the underneath plate. Since it's under the tail light, you gotta take the tail light off. This one's not coming out. Ah, there it goes.
Hey, it's pointy.
And it's solid. I had to flex it, man. Once it did.
Sounds like a whine to me.
It was a wine. I don't even drink.
Eat some cheese with that wine.
Oh, yeah, it does get tight when you tighten it. But we know it's going to fall off. Probably go with threads up taking it off, though.
You'd never do a thing like that, would you, Tatro? Over tighten something, gall the threads, and then
No, I'm going to take it off.
it'd never work
See, it's
again.
lubricated with rust. See the rust on here?
They look like the
They didn't have Loctite on, they had rust in there.
red rust lubricant.
And considering the only thing that's steel in there is the bolt. It's pretty good.
Looks pretty good for something that just rolled off the trailer, huh?
Dirty ass trailer.
And why did I volunteer to drive my Tahoe up here and get it
We wanted to
dirty?
vehicle very slow time.
Oop, another bike going. Ooh, he looks like he's doing good.
When you find it, you find it.
Sweet. Yeah, this dust is dust that gets everywhere. Sorry, I had to get my coffee.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, Fred, we need to put some fuel on this bike.
The 14-year-old fuel.
There's a legal license on it.
Can you believe that?
What?
Can you believe it actually has a license plate that has a valid?
Plate on it.
I know.
It's got the right tag and everything. Wait a second. Let me check the serial numbers.
Dust off. There you go.
Yeah, my wife says, I'll hand you the tag for my pickup. I'll hand you the tag for the trailer for the pickup. I said, hell no. Because I'm right at the date change.
Yeah.
It got paid, but the tag hasn't hit. So hand me a piece of paper, but if you put the tag on there and they stop me, we're in dead. It's worse than anything.
Yeah.
Here's how original it is.
Yeah. So most of Tatro's license plates have something before 2020 on them. 90 something, 92, 90. No, you know, if they even have a plate.
It looks like a motif out of my neighborhood too. It's a mile. No, we're a mile and a half off road.
Oh yeah.
So all the cars are dusty. My wife will come in, pull into the house and say, "I did wash it."
What is the name
That's
here?
Well, you might
Find out.
Am I recording now? I can hardly see it. So we made it up to El Mirage. I think we'll see other pictures on that. He got the bike inspected. He got his leathers inspected that aren't going to work. Now he's going to ride his POS around for I don't know how long until he runs out of gas. That is a cool official truck there. I'll win this bet, but I bet he's going to be spinning that back tire just for the freaking, just because he. God, he didn't spin it. Oh, I lost that bet. Maybe he's following the speed limit. All right, there he goes.